I'm David Stover. I'm a co-founder of Bureo, and we're creating innovative solutions to prevent ocean plastic pollution. So in 2012, I was working as a financial consultant in Australia. My passion for surfing led me to this issue of plastic pollution in the ocean. Joined a few friends who shared this passion in search of why our oceans were filling up with plastic. We found this was not an isolated problem. Over 8 million tons of plastic are entering our oceans every year. We needed to find a starting point, somewhere we can make a difference. Our research showed that 10% of the plastic pollution in the ocean came from discarded fishing nets. Now, this material has been identified as the most harmful to marine animals, also very difficult for fishermen to manage at the end of life. Our solution? Skateboards. We would collect this material back, recycle it, put it into a positive product that would bring awareness to this problem. We could also scale a model that would finance the infrastructure needed to keep this net out of the water. Capturing the attention of even a prince, our boards have gained a tremendous response. In over 100 retailers globally now, across 5 continents, we had an opportunity to present Secretary John Kerry with the board, which he said, "I'm very impressed with the work of Bureo and our goal to nationalize this program in Chile, where our project began." But this is more than just skateboards. We're setting up a model here that works in 20 communities right now in Chile, has the potential to work across the coast of Chile, where we work with these communities to collect the material, recycle it, and turn it back into a durable raw material. And the success of that model to date led to an investment from Patagonia, a partnership that has added notoriety and credibility to our programs. Starting in Chile, we have access to over 1,000 tons of fishing net waste annually. And our program, Net Positiva, has already received financial backing from the Chilean government. So these programs work in the communities in Chile. They educate the fishermen about the problems of their waste. They support them through actual financing that goes back into communities, and we have an end-of-life solution for this difficult waste. Just this past month, we completed a year-long project with the Living Product Certification, in which our project was identified as a net positive plastic. And what this means is that through our supply chain, we're able to show that we're able to offset the negatives in recycling material to have a positive impact on people and the environment. Product innovation. So we've proven traction with our products. We've shown we have an abundant source of material and that we're able to use that material into other products. And now we're speaking with third parties that are interested in utilizing it. Patagonia, we're engaged with Patagonia on a project to incorporate this into their line, also speaking with 3 other influential brands. So we've built a profitable and tangible model, one we believe is scalable and replicable around the world. This is our vision, to be part of a solution that uses business for good and inspires others to protect our oceans. Thank you.
All right, perfect. I'd like to open it up to the judges for questions. We've got 3 minutes.
Yep.
Hi. So given your scale today and the feedstock that you're getting, do you see any issues with getting consistent feedstock over time?
Yeah, we get asked this question a lot, so I'll give you some perspective. We started recycling in 2014. We recycled 70,000 kilograms, or 70 tons to date. We put 5 of those into our own products, and this is what's motivated us to work with other third parties to utilize this material. So we're working in 20 communities, collecting the 70 tons over the last 2 years. We've been in contact and been engaged with communities all through the coast of Chile, and our study there that we've done through both an intern and then our own vetted research shows there's 1,000 tons of waste, or 1 million kilograms a year of this material. We have seen about 80 to 85% of that is nylon 6. That's currently what we're using in all of our products and offering for other companies. We also have a feedstock of polypropylene and polyethylene. We have recycled that and run tests on it and have actually made prototypes for other products, but we have not produced anything with that yet.
So are you actually doing the processing yourself, or?
Yeah, in 2012, we started a project with the Plastic Engineering Lab at UMass to develop the technology to mechanically recycle the nets. We approached a contracted manufacturer in Chile who we contract out for several weeks a year. They're able to keep 100% traceability, take the recycler offline, recycle the material, and then we're able to use that knowing it's 100% of the materials coming out of our communities. But one of the co-founders lives permanently in Chile. He's been there for 4 years. He has 4 contracting managers now that we work with, so we're actively engaged, setting up disposal points for the material, transporting that to the manufacturer, and then we oversee the recycling of that into the raw material.
What is the driver for your clients? What do they like the most about your product? Is that the cost, the performance, the fact that it comes from recycled material?
Yeah, I mean, I think we're in a unique position. We're able to build a brand to actually sell our own products and to utilize them to gain a margin on that material. And approaching other companies, I think we have a traceability that's not parallel in the industry. A lot of people are concerned with the issue of plastic waste in the ocean. There's a lot of talk about going out into the ocean and collecting it and finding it from other stocks. We have complete control of our supply chain, vertically integrated, so that we can have traceability of the material and offer it to them as a durable raw material, nylon 6, they're able to utilize in their products.
I was just going to ask, how broad is the product line from the recycled commodity that you're generating?
I mean, nylon, the market for nylon 6 is about $45 billion a year. I mean, it's in automotive parts, furniture, sporting goods, athletic apparel, clothing. It's a very abundant material.
So we had a business that was recycling actually carpets to these sorts of things. One of our challenges was getting the quality of the material, the refinement, getting the stuff out in order to create a product. Did you have issues with contamination and to be able to make your products?
Sure. I mean, that's been one of the major challenges setting up the program, but we're working with the fishermen now to take the nets right offline. We have a program set up to clean and wash those nets and to inspect them before they go into the process, and we're 100% positive that everything going in there is the nylon 6 that we're looking for recycling.
Perfect. Thank you so much, all the judges, for their insightful questions. David, for your presentation.